Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and allow your body to settle. Close your eyes and let go of any tension or thoughts about the day. You are here to relax, to find stillness. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for just a moment, and then release, feeling the air flow out of your body. Breathe in again, deeply and gently, and as you exhale, feel yourself letting go of any tightness, any stress, any distractions. Let your breath fall into a natural rhythm now. With each exhale, feel your body becoming softer, more at ease. Imagine that with every breath, you are drawing in calm, clear energy. As you breathe out, you release any remaining tension or unease. Picture yourself standing beside a tranquil river. The water flows steadily, effortlessly. The sound of the gentle current soothes your mind. You feel the soft breeze on your skin, the warmth of the sun on your face. This river represents the flow of life, and the leaves that float gently upon it represent your thoughts. As a thought appears in your mind, visualize it resting on a leaf, drifting effortlessly down the river. You don't need to hold on to these thoughts. Simply observe them and let them go. Notice how your mind begins to clear as each leaf floats by. You don't need to judge the thoughts or engage with them. Just let them pass. You are the observer, standing peacefully by the water, watching the flow of the river. Breathe in deeply once more, feeling the cool, fresh air filling your lungs. And as you exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, more peaceful. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, connected to the rhythm of your breath and the gentle flow of the river. The world around you is calm, and within, you are becoming calm as well. If any thoughts arise, acknowledge them kindly, without judgment, and let them go. Watch them float away, carried by the current, disappearing into the distance. Now, shift your focus inward. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. With each inhale, you are bringing in peace, clarity, and stillness. With each exhale, you are releasing anything that no longer serves you. Let your body grow heavier, fully supported by the ground beneath you. Notice how your feet feel connected to the earth, rooted and stable. Your hands are resting softly, your face relaxed, your shoulders releasing any last bits of tension. You are fully present in this moment, in the here and now. There is nowhere else you need to be. This is your time to be still, to be free from the noise of the outside world. Imagine yourself standing barefoot in a beautiful forest clearing. Tall, ancient trees surround you, their branches swaying gently in the breeze. The air here is pure, fresh, and each breath you take fills you with life and energy. You are safe, you are at peace, and you are deeply connected. As you breathe, the earth feel the energy of the earth rising up through your feet, moving through your body, cleansing every part of you. This energy flows gently like the river, carrying away any stress, any tension, leaving you feeling light and clear. Your mind is like the sky above, vast, open, and peaceful. Thoughts may come and go like clouds, but they do not stay. They drift by, and the sky remains clear and still. Take a deep breath in, feeling this clarity fill your entire being. Exhale and let go of anything that weighs you down. You are free. You are calm. You are deeply at peace. Notice how your breath feels now, steady, natural, effortless. Feel the stillness within you growing with every inhale and exhale. Allow this sense of tranquility to fill every part of your mind and body. Stay here, in this place of stillness for as long as you need. There is no rush, no need to return to the noise of the day just yet. You deserve this time of calm. When you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the ground beneath you once again. Take one last deep, nourishing breath. And as you exhale, bring your attention back to the room. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of peace and clarity with you as you move through the rest of your day. You are calm, you are centered, and you are ready to embrace whatever comes next with a clear and open mind.